This is going to be a video product review of the Therapedic Memory Foam Ventilated Supportive U-Neck Pillow. And this shows over here, ventilated, iCool, technology, removable, circular knit cover, 1-year manufacturer warranty. Online, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. If you pick this up on the internet, at the affiliate link, it is probably going to cost you 3 times as much if you buy it in the store. I'm just being honest. I'd prefer you click on my affiliate link if you're going to buy anything from Amazon, but you can always click on that and not buy it and buy something else, or you can donate to my PayPal with the link in the video description. But online, this is going for about $45. In the store, I think I paid about $15. So why did I buy this? I bought it for the same reason you were probably looking this up online. Sore neck. I just fumble. I thrash around when I sleep. I thrash around really bad. I don't have much of a curve in my neck. So when I use a pillow, most pillows are bad for people. They jam your chin into your chest. But pillows cause me a lot of problems, so sometimes I fold up a towel. Sometimes I just bundle up an extra sheet and use it, fold it up as a pillow, just to raise my neck up a little bit. When I turn on my side, I fold it up a little bit more to raise it up. And when I go back on my back, while I'm sleeping unconsciously or consciously, I go through this whole routine of folding it up or flattening it out when I'm on my back or on my side. So I bought this pillow because I thought it's not that expensive. I know the lighting's not that good here. I just wanted to pop out this video really quick, pop out an 8-minute video, put 10,000 ads on there, and let you know why you should buy it or not buy it. So most of the time these are used for when you're sitting up or when you're on an airplane. You can put this behind your head and get a little bit of cushion, a little bit of pushing cushion over there. And this will rest obviously around the shoulders. So it would usually be used like this. But I thought I'd try it out while I was sleeping. And my experience is the height is pretty good for being on the back. The height is just about what I need. The problem is that when I put this on, these things are so close to my neck and my throat that I feel like I'm being choked. And so if I go to sleep, if I try to fall asleep, I put this on and I go, yeah. I can just feel it when I lay down, when I lie down, and I use this pillow. It's so relaxing to my spine and my neck that my toes start to tingle, my legs start to tingle. All the stress and the tension starts going out of the body, and my body just relaxes. It feels really good. The problem is this thing comes right over to by the throat. I go, like, I got to take this thing off. I can't sleep with this. Now, on my side, that's not a big issue. The problem is that on my side, the only place that I can really sleep is this area here. Now, what I noticed is that I just need something to cover this up. It could be a t-shirt. It could be the corner of the blanket just folded over here, just resting on the top, and it stops my head from sinking in here, and I get good coverage. The head really doesn't want to split that apart and fall in there. So with a cloth on there, it works out really good. If I don't put a cloth on there, it's very uncomfortable. I can't, my nose presses against here, the back of my head or the top of my head. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit properly. It's not meant to be a side pillow. But even if I turn it sideways and try to rest my head here, very uncomfortable. This way, uncomfortable. So side pillow, for using this as a side pillow, it's really good. If you put a cloth on top, it's great. Maybe you won't have that problem with feeling like these pieces are right over by your throat, ready to choke you out, and it just makes me panic, and I just I cannot deal with it. But maybe for you it will be good. So we're only at about 5 minutes on the video. I'm not going to drag this out for 8 minutes and make you people suffer. So no after video roll ads, but that's okay. Would I buy this? well, I already bought it, so I can't say what I buy it for. What I paid for it at the store with the 3Bs in it for $15 or whatever I paid. I think it was like $14, 14 and a half. So a tax 15. I would buy this again for 15 bucks. I'm going to try to use it again. I know there's no way I can use this by my throat. I've tried it a few nights in a row. So no unboxing. This is what it came in. This just annoys me. It really bugs me having this. The head goes in here. Let me see if I could. Let's imagine this is my head. So my head goes. Can I show this on YouTube? This looks kind of. Okay, so let's imagine this is my head. If my head's over here, you can see this thing's jamming into my neck. Now you're going to say, you can't have a head that skinny, that's small. But you got the head over here. You can see how this thing's pressing in. It just pushes into the sides right by my throat and really just bugs me, annoys me. And even if I start to drift off, I pull this off of my neck. I go, get this off of me, get it off of me, I can't handle it. So now I'm a little bit sensitive like that because when I was in school, probably like 7th grade or something, somebody walked up behind me while I was in class and put something against my throat. And after, I won't go into details about my reaction to that, but that never happened again, obviously. But since then, I just don't want things pressing against my throat. Now, if you're a woman, that might not bother you. But for me, it really annoys me, really bugs me, and I cannot deal with it. So would I buy this? As far as cool, yeah, I'm not really worried about a pool. I'm not worried about a pillow being cool. These cool technologies, come on now. Pressure relieving. I don't know. As I said, lying down on my back when I'm awake. This is a comfortable pillow just to lean against. And when it starts to bother my throat, I can move it away. But the thought, I've yet to be able to sleep with this thing for more than sleep with a pillow. I've yet to be able to use this while I'm sleeping for more than a couple minutes before I just have to take this thing off because I cannot deal with it. Shows that it was made in China, so I didn't have to tell you that. Again, you can pick it up online. A lot of places sell this. Check out the video description. Click on that link. But if I were you, I would just not do that. I would try to find it somewhere else at about a $15 price. Please do the thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. It's incredible. I was watching some video today. The guy just said he got 1 million subscribers, and I'm thinking, are you kidding? The garbage you're putting out, you've got 1 million subscribers? And then I was watching something else yesterday. Somebody posted a video, and within a few hours, she had 1.5 million views. These people are making like billions of dollars off of their tube videos, and here I am struggling for an after roll ad or whatever you call that thing, so maybe I can make 10 cents. Life's just not fair. As far as the pillow, it's up in the air. Well, you can't have a pillow up in the air. There's probably something better if you have neck problems. I don't really know what to say. For me, I prefer just rolling a towel, folding a towel in half, folding a t-shirt in half, folding a sheet, bundling it up 2 or 3 times, and just getting the height that way for the side. And then when I'm on my back, flattening it out so I just have a little bit of something there. Very easy to throw in the washer, but maybe you want to buy something like this. Again, this is the Therapedic memory foam ventilated and supportive U-neck pillow in white. What do they say about it? What are the reviews on here? Did they just start selling this? You got to be kidding me. When did they put this out here? Product information doesn't show. Machine washable. You can unzip the thing. Breathable foam rayon cover 230 thread. You can throw it in the washer. There are 0 reviews on this thing in stock. And probably because there are 0 reviews, the price is unbelievably ridiculous online. But thanks for watching. Got my 8 minutes in there. Told you I could do that. We go another 4 seconds and we're going to get 10 minutes. There we go. See ya.